Hi, this is the Coredy robot vacuum cleaner. You get a remote with it where you can press right, left, or just press play, pause, set a timer on it, or do just an auto. You can do round the room, you can do zigzag, you can do spot cleaning, and then you can press home for it to go back to its charging station. It's pink at the moment because it's charging. If you turn the charger off, it will turn blue, and that's the on switch at the bottom, which should be on the on, which I think it is. And then it's blue, and that means it's ready to use. You just press play or auto. Press auto, and it just goes around the room, or you can use the remote for it to go left, right, up, down. You can use this for children's crumbs that they drop on the floor. Just little bits of crumbs picks up. Just turn it on and it'll pick up all the crumbs off the floor. So you don't have to get your big hoover out every time. I'll just use the remote for it to go left and right. Or up, down. And when it runs out of charge, it will go back to the charging station by itself. Or you can press the home button and it will make its way back to the charging station. Which is over there in the corner. There it comes. And that's the Coredy robot vacuum. Thanks for watching.